Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach how to make this kind of thumbnail. In my previous video I'm going to teach how to make it step by step. So let's start. So basically this kind of thumbnail is easy to make. You just need some photo, font, and also a background. Basically, what is my goal for this thumbnail, because this thumbnail will have high level of board with light color, so maybe it will generate more of the click-through rate in YouTube. So first, let us start. First, you need to generate new, and you need to make a size of 1280x720. This size is mainly used in YouTube thumbnail, and just create. And next you have a thumbnail, blank thumbnail in white color. First you need to unlock the background. So after you unlock, you can change the color of the layer. You go to blending option and you make it black. You also can make other color based on your preference, but for me I prefer black. Or maybe you want to make gradient color is also okay. You can have change the setting for the gradient color. So basically, if you want to change this color, you can change everything here based on your preference. You can change the angle, you can change the color. For example, you want to have blue, this one more interesting, blue color. Then you can change the scale. Many things can be changed here. You can find out yourself, but for me I prefer using a black color to show my property of my additional image in my thumbnail. So I choose black color. Okay, so after that you will have your blank image YouTube thumbnail size. First you need to generate the text, and you just put in your text. For example, let's bold it, CapCut videos. Okay, so after that you just highlight it and make it your favorite color. Put it white first to make it more obvious. And for the color, right, you can choose the font that are bold, so that it can basically attract and let the viewer to engage for your thumbnail photo. So if you also can choose this one, impact, and you can download some other fonts to use it in your thumbnail. Basically, let's try this impact. This one also very nice kind of thumbnail, and you can just enlarge it. Okay, so after that you enlarge it. Okay, so next you can make your font to be colorful. For me, you must use light color. For example, you can choose teal color, or light green, yellow, or even red, because this kind of color can bring out the attraction for engagement. After that, okay, then next I want to put a CapCut logo here. I just find for my CapCut logo. Okay, so this is my CapCut logo. First, if you download this, you need to unlock the layer first. Then you can just open the CapCut logo, and you can just erase the background. Press E to erase, and after that you can just take this and copy and put it at your new file. Okay, so you can just adjust based on your preference. Okay, so maybe like this. And for your text or even your logo, you can make it to have stroke. If your background is a different color, let me show you. So for example, your background is colored in yellow color, but this is not recommend to use. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the color we can try. So basically you need to bold your text and even your logo, because it look more obvious. For example, you need to have a stroke. Okay, and the stroke you can adjust it. For example, you adjust to 13, and the opacity this one. Okay, so basically this can shows the property of the text, and even the logo we can make it stroke. So logo we just stroke it. Okay, so you can show it. So basically like this, you can show the property of the text and the logo. But for me, if I'm using black color, I think it's not necessary to stroke. But if you want to stroke it white, you can do it, or yellow color. But this is my preference, to have a black color background, and the text will be at lighter side. And after that, you have done your title, logo, and we want to insert the photo at the bottom. So basically the photo, you can use photo and you can make it more saturated by using the adjustment. So adjustment, you can adjust for your photo to make it more engaging. Okay, for basic, first you need adjust the brightness, contrast, and maybe you can adjust for the saturation. You can find it out, this one, saturation. So basically this is to make the photo more engaging. As you can see, the color already bring out from the photo by adding the saturation from the photo, and also adjust the contrast and the lightness at the first logo. So you can adjust, and then you can see what you have adjust at the layer panel. So basically we will follow up in our previous work, and you can download this arrow. So basically just take the arrow and put it here, and make the arrow to be red color or even white color. Basically you can see this color. Okay, so now you have your arrow, and the arrow must be at the top, and make sure it was stroke, because later you need to put some photo at the bottom. And lastly, just copy all this photo to your work. First you need to unlock first, then you just copy, and you can just paste it. You can take it one by one. You can use your up, down, left, right arrow to make it more nicer. And last photo. If you want to make your photo more nicer, for example this one, it have a black bar at the top, you can just erase it. But it's not necessary for my photo, because my photo background are in black color. So basically this is what I want for my thumbnail. And next we will adjust the layer for better color. So make sure that you choose the top layer from the layer panel, and you can just adjust, press for brightness, add the contrast, and also add for saturation. There you go, better. And lastly, this red panel, just bring it to the top, and here you go. Make sure that your red arrow having stroke, so that it won't be blocked by the photo at the back. So that's all. If you want to learn more, you can check the description. Thanks.